You are welcome to Love in Focus. I'm your host, Yinka Adejuma. Today, I'm going to be sharing with us on a caption, how to navigate long distance relationship. Giving you some tips on how to enjoy your long distance relationship. Navigating long distance relationship can be challenging. It's commitment and communication, it can be successful. So how can I navigate long distance relationship? Number one thing that we do to navigate long distance relationship is you must give attention to communication. Prioritize communication. Be clear and open about your expectations, about your boundaries, and about your feelings. There be regular and open communication. Use video calls, text messages, and voice messages to stay connected. Just give attention to talking. Don't assume anything. Make sure that every day, two of you talk. You know how to talk and you know what to discuss when you are with your partner. Make sure that during the time of your communication, that it is meaningful and you stay present. Not that you are talking with somebody that is not in the same place with you. They're not somewhere moving up and down. You don't have time. You're attending to your friends or this and that. No, that's not how to do it. Stay present when you are communicating with your partner that is not in the same place where you are. It shows that you respect and you value the relationship. Let there be regular and open communication. Don't assume anything that you don't understand. Ask your partner. Relationship is for talking. Not that, okay, I don't like talking. Not now. You must like how to talk, number one, because we women, we like to hear some things. We are moved by what we hear. And you too, so you must learn it as a man. You must learn how to talk to your partner daily. If you don't talk to us at times, all manner can be going on in our mind. So just give attention to communication. Another thing that will help you to make your long distance relationship successful is plan to visit. Plan to visit. Maybe you know that in a long distance relationship, somebody is plan to visit your partner. Try to schedule visit to see each other. So having something to look forward to can strengthen the bond, and it will help you to make the distance more manageable. So please, if it's possible, plan to visit. And another thing that will help you to maximize the long distance relationship is you have to set goals for the future. Yes, two of you must have plan for the future. You must plan to know when and how to have a shared goals. It will provide direction and hope. You know that, okay, in the next 2 years, we're going to get married. In the next year, that direction will give you hope. And another thing also that we do to have a successful long distance relationship is let there be trust and honesty. Trust is very, very fundamental in any relationship. I have some teachings about trust. Trust is very, very important in any relationship. I do tell people any relationship without a trust is a bondage. Now that two of you are not in the same place, let there be trust and honesty about your concerns, about your feelings, and about your fear. Don't work on assumptions. Anything that is going on in your mind, anything that you don't understand, let your partner know. And your partner will not know at times until you open up your mouth and talk. So talk about your insecurities. And another thing that you will do to enjoy your long distance relationship is maintain your independence. It's very, very important and crucial for two of you to stay connected. But it's very good and healthy for you to maintain your individual lives. Yeah, pursue your hobbies, pursue your dreams, pursue your goals, have your own friends. It will help you not to be stuck in one place. It will help you to enjoy your life. You know that, okay, your partner is somewhere, and at the same time, wherever you are busy with your own life too. You must pursue your own career, you must pursue your own dreams, and you must pursue your own goals. Because those are the values that will bring into the relationship. And remember that the value that you bring into the relationship is what will endear you more into the heart of your partner. Another thing that we do to enjoy your long distance relationship is you must create rituals. What did I mean about this ritual? Two of you must have traditions. Okay, every night by 8 p.m. we must talk according to the time zone of the country where your partner is. Maybe if your partner is not in the same country with you, by so time we must talk. By establish routines, right? Regular time to talk. Every night we must send a good night messages. Okay, by so time we must talk. This is the last thing we must say when we round up our talking. This and this. All these rituals will give both of you a sense of consistency and connection. So that is why two of you must have your connection. You must have your rituals together. For example, as a couple, there's a way two of you will look at each other. Even when you are in the midst of people, that you will understand one another. Why? That is what we call ritual. That is what we call tradition. The thing that we do to enjoy your long distance relationship is learn to surprise each other. Yes. Hey, love life is about surprising one another, create mystery. You can send messages, you can order something and just send it. Learn to show that you are thinking about your partner. Another thing that we do to enjoy your long distance relationship is be positive. Be a positive person, please. Be positive. That is why you have to maintain your own individual life. Focus on the benefits of long distance relationship. Some people's relationship might not work because of long distance relationship. It doesn't mean that your own will not work. Try to be positive. Develop deeper emotional communication and personal growth. Try to stay optimistic about your time apart. Don't let devil use that one to be saying all manner of negative things into your mind. You know the person that you are in a relationship with. And another thing that we do to enjoy your long distance relationship is be patient and be flexible. Yes, be patient and be flexible. At times, your partner can say, okay, go after 2 years, I will come and pick you. And it might not even work like that. You understand? Because it has really affected so many homes, so many relationships, so many lives. Even sometimes plans change according to the time zone, according to work or other factors. So you have to stay optimistic. So you have to be patient and be flexible. That is why you have to have your own life. You have your own hobbies, you have your own friends, and you have to pursue your own dreams. All these things will keep you busy, pending the time that you and your partner will close the distance between the two of you. So patience and understanding goes a long way in maintaining harmony in that relationship. Another thing that we do to enjoy your long distance relationship is make use of technology to your own advantage. You know, in addition to video calls, text messages, this and this, you can play online games together. Yes, there's some app that is created for only couples that are not in the same place, that are not in the same country. Two of you can download this app in your own different gadgets and be playing it together. When you are doing it, also you are fostering the connection between the two of you. You can watch movies simultaneously. Technology, it has really gone. So make use of technology to your own advantage. When two of you stay connected and put in more effort, long distance relationship can thrive. So communication, trust, and dedication are the things that will make you to enjoy your long distance relationship. Have open mind and be patient with one another as you navigate the distance apart. God will bless you in the mighty name of Jesus. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like it, and share it with your loved ones. As you do so, God will bless whatever you do also in the mighty name of Jesus. Leave a comment under the video. Anything that will make the long distance relationship to be successful, leave a comment under the video. It is well with you in the mighty name of Jesus. I love you. Shalom.